Hi, in this video we are going to see about regular expression in Python. A regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. It can be used to check if a string contains the specified search pattern or not. Python has a built-in package called RE which can be used to work with regular expressions. So when we want to work with regular expressions, we need to import the RE package. Once we have imported the RE package, we can start working with regular expression. So there are many functions that are associated with the regular expression. One thing is search method, find all method, split is there, and sub function is there. We will see a simple example in this. The next question arises, why regular expression or how regular expressions can be used. So the answer for that is to get information about text from large amount of data. For that we can use a regular expression. We can also use regular expression to verify the email address. Okay, and we can also use if some data is there like the name or student's detail, roll number or some address or phone number. From that we just want to retrieve the address part. For that purpose also we can go for regular expression. So let's start with a few methods. First we'll see the search method. Search function searches the string for a match and returns a match object if there is a match. Match object is none. Suppose if there is no match, it returns none. If there is a match, it will display what we are trying to produce as output. Okay. So let me have a text. Okay, this is my text. I want to check whether good is there in this string or not. Okay. So how that can be done using regular expression. So the term is good, right? Next, if it is the case, I want to print it is available. See, so good, that term is there, so it is giving me it is available. Suppose I am changing the term as smile, okay, and I am trying to print the text. So it will give me the output none. Okay, so the string search method searches the string for a match and returns a match object, that is none. This is the match object if there is no match. If there is a match, it will give me the output as what we want to display. Okay, this is about search method. See about find all method. So this is search method. Now we are going to see about find all method. So let me have a variable s name and s number. So two things I am having in the sentence. Anu, roll number is 23. Bonus, I am having Bono is 33. Next, Mona is 44. Next, and Sona is 55. Okay. So I am having a sentence. This is called doc string, right? So I am having a sentence in which I am having a name and the number, roll number, and some other text along with that. So I want to retrieve only the name, else I want to retrieve only the roll numbers. So that can also be possible with this regular expression. Okay, let's see how that can be done. So I want to retrieve only the name. So I want to retrieve only the name from this string. So what you have to do is So I'll have a variable names. Okay, names equal to re dot, I want to find, right? So find all. Next, what I want to find? I want to find the name. So we need to find the pattern, what kind of pattern the name is. So then here the Anu is the name, Banu is the name, Mona, Sona is the name, right? So this names and all starts with capital letter and remaining are small. So we should now have an idea about the search pattern, then only we can implement it. So re dot find all. So the name starts with capital alphabet. So A to Z, between A to Z. Next, the remaining thing are lowercase, right? So in which we have to find, we have to find in the S name, S number, that text, right? So S name and S number. So in this text I want, next I am printing the print names. Hope you got what I am trying to explain. Let me give comment for this. See, I am having a string in which I am having a name, roll number and some other text along with this, right? So I want to retrieve only the name from this string. So that is possible in case of regular expression. So retrieve some text from the lengthy information. So let's execute it. See, I got the name, right? So we should have an idea, we should create an idea. So we should find out the pattern. The name starts with capital, the remaining are in lowercase. So in that way it should have a pattern idea and then we have to implement using this find all. Now what I want is, I want to retrieve the roll number, right? So the roll number is naturally digits, right? It's of 2 digits. So how that can be implemented? Let me have a variable x. So x equal to re dot find all. Next, how the number is 2 digit, right? So to find that, for 2 digit we have to use /d. Okay. Next, within the pattern it's of 2 digit, right? So 2 digit, from which I have to search from the text S name number. S name, S number, right? Next I will print x. See, I got, right? So this is the usage of regular expression, to search some text from a set of information. So my here information is, I am having a string, lengthy string which contain name along with the roll number. I am just trying to retrieve out the names as well as I am retrieving the roll number. Okay, we should have a clear idea of what search pattern we have to use. Next, if I want to find a particular word from this string, okay, so how to do that? I want to count. So count equal to re dot find all. I want to find the term is. So I is from which? From this text. The text is in roll variable S name, S number. Okay. Next, let me print the text. Count. See, 4 times is got displayed. That much time it is occurring in the string. So this is about find all method. Split method, it returns a list where the string has been split at each match. Suppose I am using space, right? So if you specify that in the split, so it will split the text where all the spaces are found. It will split the text in that order. So let me show the example. See, I will take the example as this text. Okay, text is, this is my text, right? Be good, do good. With that we will work out. So what I am trying to do, x is equal to re dot. Since this re is been imported one time, so no need to import again and again in the same program. So re dot split next text, from which I want to split text. Next we'll print the x. You got me? So B, so it separates. So in this split, it will search the text. So first the term is B, then space is there, so it will separate B as one word. Okay. Next it will see good. After that space is there, then it will separate this good as one word. So in this way it will just returns a list. This is the list where the string has been split at each match. Wherever the match is found, space is found, it just splits the string. Okay, this is about split. Now again what we can do is, if I want to split at only one occurrence, here what happens is there are 4 spaces, right? So whenever this match is found, 4 matches are there, so whenever the match is found, it is just splitting the string at each match. I want to do it at only at first occurrence. So for that what you have to do is s equal to re dot split yes text 1. So it will group B as 1 and good to do good as one word. Okay. So you got the difference. First thing is, wherever the match is found is just splitting the text string. Okay. Next is only at the first occurrence is split and remaining it group as another string. Okay. So this is about split. Split, it returns a list where the string has been split at each match. Here 4 matches are there, so 4 words we got. Right. Here what happens is I want the splitter only at the first occurrence. So after finding one space is found, then it split that as one word and remaining as group and remaining as another terms. Okay. So this is about split. Next is about subfunction. Subfunction method replaces every match with text of our choice. That is, I am having a text be good, do good, right? So in that I want to replace some terms with some other term. That can be done with subfunction. Replaces every matches with the text of our choice. So here what I want to do is, wherever space is found, I want to replace it with some other term. So see. So it's the replace now. Replace equal to re dot subfunction. Here wherever space is found, a space is found, it will be replaced with the term star, in which in the text okay. So this is a sub method. Wherever space is found, it replaces the space with star in which in the text. What is my text? My text is be good, do good. Let me take this here. Change it as text 1. Next we'll print this. See, after B there is a space, after good there is a space, after do there is a space. So there are 3 spaces. That spaces will be filled with what text we want to be replaced in that place. So I am using star here, so star has been replaced in case of space. So that's a function of subfunction in regular expression. Next, if I want to do for first two occurrence only, that is also possible. So what I have to specify? I have to include another field as comma, I have to put here, and I have to include 2. See, in only 2 position I got star. Got me? Let me include 2 star here. See, first case, observe this example. See, in first case, be good, do good. Between be and good, there is a 2 star. Between good and do, there is a 2 star. Between do and good, there are 2 stars, right? So in all occurrence, wherever the match is found, it replaces. I want to do only in one place. So what I can do, I can put 1 only at the first match. You got me? So this is about subfunction. So regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern, right? So it's used to check if a string contains a specified pattern or not. So how we can use regular expression? Using RE package that is available in Python. We have to import that in the program, then we can work out with regular expression. There are methods in the regular expressions. Here I am working with search, find all, split and sub function in the regular expression. Hope you got the difference between find all, split, sub function and search method. Thank you. Keep learning.